Hey folks, Jim from Salvinos J R Models, and I got a new kit for you for November. This is our Chase Elliott Black Gold. It's what he drove at Sonoma. This is one of my favorite pieces of box art. Anyway, let's take a look and see what's inside of the box. Well, that light doesn't look good on it, does it? But it is a beautiful piece of box art. I love this one. This is probably one of my favorite pieces of box art that I have done so far. But anyway, let's take a look and see. I haven't even looked into the box yet myself. So here we are. Oh, it's not perfectly shiny, is it? That's kind of cool. And actually in my light here, it almost looks like a charcoal rather than a black shiny black. So it looks like it's got a little tiny tinge of brown in there, but that's just in my crummy light here in the room. But anyway, that is oh, I love that. I love that. You know, I keep saying I might have to build that. I might have to build that. And I never get around to it. But you know what? I might have to build this one because it is real pretty. That just the black with the gold pinstripes is just so classy and so pretty. So let's set those aside. Round squishy things are indeed both round and squishy. You guys have been through me opening up these bags of tricks enough times to see what's in here, and some of the tricks. If you haven't seen it yet, there's a video called Oops on a couple little tweaks you can do on some of the parts that are just things that were done with the factory just to make them come out of the molds easier. But it makes your life a little, I'm not going to say difficult, but hey, it's modeling, right guys? So you can do those little tweaks. And then there is a video on the assembly jig. Take a look at that. It'll show you a couple little tweaks too. And you might want to buy one of those assembly jigs. It'll help you put things together, and especially it ensures that you will get your ride height correct on the car. So there's that. There are the glass pieces. And now let's take a look at, get that box out of my way. I don't have enough room on this massive table, which is just slightly larger than what you're looking at on the screen. So here's our table mat, so you can open up and get your instructions on there. Let's see, here is our decal placement for everything. Okay. Drum roll, please. Okay, there's our regular black windshield stuff. You know, you've been through it before, right? Now, here are our decals. Oh, that is nice. That it's not metallic as in the metal. This is a metal flake, not the metal foil. Oh man, that is gonna look so gorgeous on that black car, man. I'm going to be jealous of you guys building this because right now I am so busy working on getting things ready for the Lotuses that I don't have time to build. But those are going to be so nice, so nice. I'm looking forward to seeing what you guys build. You know, I always enjoy seeing what you guys do. And I'm not, you know, not everybody is... Let's just put it this way. There's one Clay Kemp. There's a lot of really good builders, but there's only one Clay Kemp. And he's the guy that does all of our decals. And, you know, I'm always saying, giving him kudos for what he does, because he does a beautiful job, but he's an incredible builder. But, you know, more important is I love seeing what you guys do because you love what you're doing, and I don't care the quality. I'm looking to see that you guys are having fun building our stuff. Yeah, it is nice to see the better builds, but you know what? We're not all Clay Kemps. There aren't many. We've got a few fantastic builders that are in our club and send pictures, and we post pictures and stuff like that. But hey, we love seeing what any of y'all do. So there you go. That's what's in the Chase Elliott Black Gold kit. You're seeing some of the kits that we've got right now, some of our newest kits. And the Joey Logano is up for pre-sale. So is that Joseph Newgarden kit for his Indy 24 win. Those will be coming up soon. There's that Chase Elliott kit. I love that box art. You know, I'm just looking at my monitor here. We got the Kyle Petty Wood Brothers T-Bird. That is, a lot of the guys are really happy with that. And there you're seeing the Kyle Larson for next month for December, and the Brad Keselowski for December also. So we got lots of stuff coming up. Good stuff. There is that Joseph Newgarden. That is on pre-order right now. I am not sure when we're going to be shipping that. It could be January, February. It might be December, for all I know that the guys in California are doing. So take a look at our web store, see what we got there, see some of the things like that Bertha coming up in, I think that's like March. So we got lots of good stuff going on. Check out the web store, and thanks for following Salvinos J R Models and salvinosjrmodels.com, and on Facebook, facebook.com/Salvinos J R Models. Check us out on Saturday mornings. Come join us for some styrene sniffing and bench racing, and you can have your breakfast and just join us and have some fun. So, as Lucas E. says, why do we build models? Because they're fun. And that's the most important part. It's because they're fun. So let's get on out of here.